Electric cars per se produce no sounds, but we do need sound for one, for informing pedestrians outside as the car is driving. But we use also sound as an opportunity for the driver to know what the car is doing as we are driving the car. So sound is capable literally to enhance our emotional condition by providing us sensations that we were not aware of. For this reason, with our ears, we are capable to react as fast as 10 milliseconds to any stimuli that is approaching us. With the new Mini family, we do have a new Mini Sonic universe that we are offering to our customers. We come with a new set of ear cons, new jingles, new driving sounds. The ear cons are all this suggestion or warning sound, for instance, a blinker sound, or if you don't fasten your seatbelt. The jingles are like sonic portals towards every experience. So we do have 8 experiences, and each experience has a specific jingle. And the driving sounds are, as the name it says, those sounds that accompanying the driving action. So now we are about to experience the timeless moment, which is a very special experience we designed for Mini. And as you can hear, we are traveling back to the past. In fact, we have recorded sound from Mini Morris from the 60s, and this vibration that you can perceive now in the idle mode, it's coming directly from that car. But what we've done, it was not just a reproduction of the original sound, it's more an homage to the timeless history of Mini. So the more you accelerate, the more futuristic the sound will be.